Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Diary. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy and quick heart pattern. This is very simple pattern, even beginners can try. The heart sizes depend on the yarn size you're going to use. So today I'm using a 4-ply milk cotton with 3mm crochet hook. So this is how we're making a magic ring. Take the short tail and keep it on the palm and wrap around these fingers and make an X shape like that. Now hold the long side from this finger. Now turn back the crochet hook and insert under the first loop and grab the second loop and bring it out and twist it. Now work chain 1 to secure your magic ring. So slowly take the fingers out. So this is how the magic ring looks like. You can adjust the size simply pulling that short tail. Now from here work 2 more chains. So with that chain 1, total we have 3 chains. Now from here we're going to work a treble crochet. That yarn over twice and insert through the magic ring and pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Now yarn over, pull through from 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops left. Again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. At the end we have 2 loops left. Now again yarn over, pull through that both loop. So here we made a treble crochet. Now we will make 2 more treble crochets into the same magic ring space. So total you'll have 3 treble crochets. Okay, here we made 3 treble crochets. Now from here we're going to work 3 double crochets into the magic ring space. So this is our first double crochet, and this is the second double crochet, and this is a third double crochet. After that we're going to work 1 chain and work a treble crochet into the magic ring space. So this is going to be the tip of the heart. So till there is going to be the half of a heart. You can see here, if you turn around and see, we made a half of the heart. Now we're going to repeat the same exact thing in mirror to the other side. So work chain 1 and work 3 double crochets into the same magic ring space. So here we made our first double crochet, and this is our second double crochet, and this is our third double crochet. So after this we're going to work 3 treble crochets into the same space. So yarn over twice and insert through the magic ring and pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2. So here we made our first treble crochet, and this is our second treble crochet, and this is our last treble crochet. Now can you remember we started on with 3 chains? So we're going to do 3 chains at the end and work a slip stitch into the same magic ring space. So you can see how we started, the same way we're going to stop the work. Now pull the short tail to tie the magic ring like that. Just make sure there will be no any holes. Just pull up nice and tightly. Okay, now from here we're gonna keep a little bit long tail and cut off the yarn. Now I'm gonna hide these short tails behind of this heart. Make sure it's nice and secure, and just pass through here and there till you feel it's nice and secure, and cut off the extra yarn. Okay, here we made our cute little heart, and this is how it looks like. So here this yarn I made with a sport weight yarn. It's slightly smaller than the heart we made now, so it's depend on the yarn you're gonna use. So I hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another beautiful tutorial.